So for today, I will showcase the new brain rot here in my game. It's a secret, by the way. And soon I will fix this bug because you can spam in the bot. Damn. I will make a cooldown. So the new is Sammy. She's new in the game. So let me get like what? She's the best now. She's the best brain rot now. Just look at that. Oh hell nah. It's a buggy. Just look at that. It's a buggy. I will fix it up. So look at that. Yep, that's all for today. Bye bye.